hello students. So I welcome you all once again. So students, हम लोग halogenation of alkane पे बात कर रहे थे. So today we'll be solving few more questions based on that. So question over here is, Cl2 H nu. You have to find products and their percentage. So if instead of Cl2, if I have taken Br2 in presence of sunlight, again you have to find products and their percentage. Okay. Now how to solve this question? So first of all, in the case of chlorination, so in case of chlorination, students, we know that the first step will be Cl dot, generation of Cl dot by chain initiation step, isn't it? So if you see, the reagent we have taken, the reactant we have taken is N-butane, isn't it? So N-butane, when react with Cl2, it will give you two different type of products. Chlorine can get added to, or it can substitute hydrogen from this primary carbon atom, or it can substitute hydrogen from secondary carbon atom. So these are two possible products. Call this as A and call this as B. Okay. So there are two different products which are possible in this case. Call this as A and B. Now what we have to find is, so we have to find products and their relative percentage. Okay. So to find percentage, how to go for the percentage of this? Now student, you have to find relative percentage. So how to calculate that? So students, मैंने बताया था सबसे पहले to calculate relative amount. So relative amount of any product is what? Probability factor into reactivity factor. Okay. So students, अगर आप यहां देखेंगे, so we have this alkane, hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. So here, अगर आप इनमें से, अगर आपने हाइड्रोजन इनमें तीनों में से किसी को निकाला या इन तीनों में से हाइड्रोजन किसी को सब्स्टिट्यूट किया, सो फाइनल प्रोडक्ट विल बी ए. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी फैक्टर जो हो जाएगा, प्रोबेबिलिटी फैक्टर जो होगा स्टूडेंट्स, वो क्या होने वाला है इस केस में? प्रोबेबिलिटी फैक्टर इज नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम ऑफ सेम काइंड. सो इट इज 6. नाउ रिएक्टिविटी फैक्टर, reactivity factor is what? So for chlorine atom we know, so reactivity factor, students, we know reactivity factors. How to calculate? Reactivity factor is already given. Reactivity factor हमें पता है क्लोरीन के लिए for 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, it is 1:3.8:5, and for bromination it is 1:82:1600. Is it clear? Any problem? Okay. Now reactivity factor, this is 1 degree, so definitely reactivity factor is 1. So relative amount amount of A is equal to 6 into 1, that is equal to 6. Clear? Any problem in this case? Now students, same if you take for B. If you take for B, so this is relative amount, this is the formula for relative amount, and this is for A. This is for A. For B, probability factor. What is probability factor? Number of hydrogen atom of that kind. So students, if you see over here, आप यहां देखेंगे secondary, if chlorine remove this hydrogen, this hydrogen, this hydrogen और this hydrogen, इन चारों में से किसी भी हाइड्रोजन को हटाए, you will get B. So probability factor over here is 4. And reactivity factor over here is 3.8. Therefore, relative amount of B is equal to 4 into 3.8. It is 14.2. So relative amount of B is 14.2. So they are in which ratio? 6 is to 14.2. If 6 molecule of A will be formed, 14.2 molecules of B will be forming. So can I find percentage of A? So percentage of A will be 6 divided by 14.2 into 6 plus 6 into 100. So this is 6 divided by 20.2 into 100. Similarly, percentage of B is equal to 14.2 divided by 20.2 into 100. So you can calculate the exact value of this, isn't it? So calculate it. So student, it will come around 29.7%. So it will be around 70.1%. So which one is major product in this? This is major product. Is it clear? Which one is major product? It is clear. So in the case of chlorination, the secondary halide is the major product. Okay? Clear? Now if you want to calculate for bromination, so what will be the change? The only change over here is, instead of Cl2, I have to take Br2. And bromine will come in this case, Br and Br. Now student, probability factor will remain same and reactivity factor will remain same. Again, if you say this as, call this as C and call this as D. So relative amount of C will be what? Same, 6. But relative amount of C will be 6. But relative amount of D will be, probability factor will remain same, but reactivity factor will change and it will become 82. So 4 into 82, it is 8, 328. So percentage of C will be what? Percentage of C will be 6 divided by 6 plus 328. So it will be 334. Similarly, it will be 328 divided by 334 into 100. So you will get percentage. So ratio over here is what? C is to D ka ratio is 6 is to 328. You can see the secondary bromide over here will be very large as compared to C. So what will the percentage? Calculate it.
So the percentage of C will be what? C will be 6 divided by 334. So this is 1.79%. 1.79%. Around 1.8%. And it is 98.2%. So in the case of bromination, bromination is highly selective. We can see, देखो अगर आप क्लोरीनेशन करवा रहे हो तो क्लोरीनेशन में सेकेंडरी हैलाइड और प्राइमरी हैलाइड की जो रेशियो है इट वाज अराउंड व्हाट 20 and 80%. 20% and 80%. 20% was primary and 80% was what? Secondary. But bromination करते ही secondary जो है it is around 98.2%. So can we say, student, can we say over here कि bromine बहुत selective है to form more stable free radical, isn't it? और ये क्या बताता है? This is the case. Reactivity factor versus selectivity factor. So you can see 3 degree के लिए this is highly reactive, isn't it? As compared to 1 degree. But chlorine के केस में this reactivity factor is not that much. तो क्लोरीन 1 डिग्री पे भी रिएक्ट कर सकता है और 2 डिग्री पे भी रिएक्ट कर सकता है. 2 डिग्री पे रिएक्ट तो करेगा लेकिन वो 1 डिग्री से 5 टाइम्स ज्यादा होगा. बट ब्रोमीन के केस में इट इज 1600 टाइम मोर देन दैट इज प्राइमरी. सो इट इज वेरी सेलेक्टिव टुवर्ड 2 डिग्री और 3 डिग्री. कैन वी से फॉर 2 डिग्री इट इज 82 टाइम, फॉर 3 डिग्री इट इज 1600 टाइम. Got the idea how to find relative percentage, how to find relative amount and relative percentage? Is it clear? So pause the video and take it down and we will solve few more questions based on this. Clear? Okay. So now question number 2. So just what I am doing, students, just what I am doing is I am changing reactant over here. So this is the reactant and you have to find percentage and measure product. Also find product and their percentage. So from percentage definitely you will get the measure product. जो जिसका भी परसेंटेज हाईएस्ट होगा दैट विल बी द मेजर प्रोडक्ट. तो चलो करें सॉल्व इसको. ओके. सो फॉर क्लोरीनेशन, सो फॉर क्लोरीनेशन स्टूडेंट सबसे पहले व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड इज नंबर ऑफ डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स. तो आप देखो यहां पर वी हैव कितने तरह के प्रोडक्ट्स मिल सकते हैं. सबसे पहले ये चेक करते हैं. So chlorination can be at this place or this place, it will be the same. Is it clear? Stereochemistry में they will have different name, but stereochemistry में हम लोग percentage, we don't find percentage of R and percentage of S, isn't it? तो यहां just we have to find percentage of different structural isomers. So this is the one of the product. Second product is this one. Third product is this one. And the fourth product is this one. So we have 4 different products. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because we have 4 different type of carbon atom. अच्छा कोई बोल सकता है sir this is also primary and this is also primary. This is secondary, this is tertiary, this is primary. So we have 3 type of different carbon atom. Why you are saying 4 product? Though this is primary, this is primary, but अगर क्लोरीन यहां अटैक करेगा और क्लोरीन यहां अटैक करेगा, you will get 2 different molecules, isn't it? इसका नाम और इसके नाम में डिफरेंस है. क्लियर है? For this it is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 chloro, 2 methyl butane. But in this case it is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 1 chloro 3 methyl butane. So they are two different products. Now we want to call this as A, B, C and D. Now student, what we want their relative amount, the relative percentage, है ना? So एक बार क्लोरीनेशन के लिए करेंगे, प्रोबेबिलिटी फैक्टर हमेशा फिक्स रहेगा, रिएक्टिविटी फैक्टर ओनली चेंजेस विद द चेंज इन टाइप ऑफ हेलोजन यू हैव टेकन, isn't it? तो चलिए, so what we will do, सबसे पहले relative amount. So for A, relative amount will be what? Probability factor into reactivity factor. अब स्टूडेंट आई नो कि आप आसानी से ये कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो. देखो, ये करने के लिए दिस इज वेरी सिंपल. आप क्या कर लो, नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम फाइंड कर लो. 1 2 3 4 5 6, यहां 1, यहां 2 और यहां पर 3, isn't it? तो स्टूडेंट, यहां क्लोरीन आई या यहां क्लोरीन आई सेम है. सो नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम ओवर हियर इज व्हाट? प्रोबेबिलिटी फैक्टर इज 6. फॉर ए प्रोबेबिलिटी फैक्टर इज 6 and reactivity factor is how much? Reactivity factor is also 1, so it is 6. Okay student, चलो एक साइड पे let it for chlorine and on this side let's take it for bromine. For A, मैं A B C D, क्लोरीन है तो A बोल रहा हूं, ब्रोमीन भी है तो भी A बोल रहा हूं. एक नेक्स्ट टाइम पे आई एम कॉलिंग दिस एज A B C D. क्लियर है? सो फॉर A, प्रोबेबिलिटी फैक्टर इज अगेन 6 एंड रिएक्टिविटी फैक्टर इज 1. ओके. फॉर B, क्लियर हो रहा है ये क्या बता रहा हूं? एक बार मैंने क्लोरीन लिया, एक बार ब्रोमीन लिया. अब फैक्टर्स ऑलमोस्ट रिमेन सेम, प्रोबेबिलिटी फैक्टर सेम होती है, इसलिए मैं दो बार क्यों करूं, एक ही जगह पे कैलकुलेशन करके दिखा रहा हूं, isn't it? So only thing that will change is reactivity factor, isn't it? Reactivity factor change हो जाएगी. अच्छा, स्टूडेंट B के लिए we have probability factor as 1, but reactivity factor 3 डिग्री के लिए, चलो ये बात को हम लोग यहां लिख के रख लेते हैं. 1 डिग्री, 2 डिग्री, 3 डिग्री, 1 डिग्री, 2 डिग्री, 3 डिग्री. क्लोरीन इज 1 into 3.8 is to 5. ब्रोमीन का 1 is to 82 is to what? 1600, है ना? अब अलग अलग बुक में 82, 81, 80 कुछ भी दिया रह सकता है. अब वो उतना वेरिएशंस चलता है, ये कैलकुलेशंस बेस्ड है ना? सो फॉर इट इज 1600. फॉर क्लोरीनेशन 3 डिग्री इज reactivity factor is 5, so B is 5. But for bromination it is 1 into 1600. 3 डिग्री के लिए ब्रोमिनेशन का, 3 डिग्री के लिए ब्रोमिनेशन का फैक्टर क्या है? रिएक्टिविटी फैक्टर इज 1600. सो दिस विल बी 1600. क्लियर है? फॉर C प्रोबेबिलिटी फैक्टर इज 2 एंड रिएक्टिविटी फैक्टर इज 3.8. सो इट इज 7.6. क्लियर है? But in the case of bromination, C will be what? 2 into 82. So it is 164. Now for D, it is, D is again 3 into 1. So this is 3. For D, in this case, it is 3 into 1 is equal to 3. So ratio of A is to B is to C is to D की जो रेशियो होगी वो क्या होगी? 6 is to 5 is to 7.6 is to 3, isn't it? Similarly in this case it is 6 is to 1600 is to 164 is to 3. Now student, if you want percentage, देखो यहां डायरेक्टली यू कैन सी कि रिलेटिव अमाउंट से यू कैन फाइंड द हाईएस्ट परसेंटेज. हाईएस्ट परसेंटेज किसका होगा? इट विल बी फॉर C. सो मेजर प्रोडक्ट इन दिस केस, मेजर प्रोडक्ट इन दिस केस इज C. बट मेजर प्रोडक्ट इन दिस केस measure product in this case is equal to what? This is B. So whenever you change halogen, there may be change in the measure product. अब बोलेंगे सर क्लोरीनेशन 3 डिग्री के लिए क्यों नहीं जा रहा है, 3 डिग्री को हाईएस्ट क्यों नहीं बना रहा है? क्योंकि 3 डिग्री के लिए उसकी रिएक्टिविटी तो हाई है, बट इस केस में प्रोबेबिलिटी फैक्टर इज वेरी लेस. बट ब्रोमिनेशन के केस में रिएक्टिविटी फैक्टर इतना बड़ा है कि प्रोबेबिलिटी फैक्टर छोटा होने के बाद भी उसकी जो रिलेटिव अमाउंट है वो बहुत बढ़ जाती है. सो कैन वी से कि ब्रोमिनेशन के टाइम पे आंख बंद करके आप 3 डिग्री को आप मेजर प्रोडक्ट बोल सकते हैं, बट क्लोरीनेशन के टाइम पे आपको रिएक्टिविटी फैक्टर प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी फैक्टर को भी इंक्लूड करना पड़ता है. इज इट क्लियर? एनी डाउट? अब स्टूडेंट परसेंटेज फाइंड करना है, सो इट्स वेरी सिंपल टू फाइंड परसेंटेज. जैसे परसेंटेज ऑफ ए क्या होगा? परसेंटेज ऑफ ए ओवर हियर इज 6 डिवाइडेड बाय एडिशन ऑफ ऑल दिस. सो इट इज 6 plus 5 plus 3 plus 7.6. So 11, 14, 14 plus 7.6 is 21.6. So 6 divided by 21.6 into 100, you will get percentage of A. Similarly, percentage of B will be 5 divided by 21.6 into 100. Percentage of C is 7.6 divided by 21.6 into 100. And percentage of D is 3 divided by 21.6 into 100. Now, इस केस में so percentage of A is again 6 divided by 6 plus 9, 164 plus 9, this is 173 and 1600, 3771. So it is 176 divided by 1773 into 100. So the percentage of A over here will be very less, percentage of D over here will be very less, but percentage of C will be very high, D will be very high. You can say 1600 divided by 1773, 1773 into 100, it will be more than 90%. So can we say bromination is highly reactive toward what? It is highly selective. I can say it is highly selective toward 3 degree halide formation. Clear hai? Is it clear? So pause the video and take it down. Pause the video and take it down. Okay, students. Okay, students. Now, let's take another example. Okay, let's take another example. Suppose I've given you this. You have to find the products, the relative amount at their percentage. For the case of chlorination and bromination. Again, what we will do? The same thing. So different products, how to get different products on chlorination or bromination in presence of sunlight, peroxide, heat or free radical. So you have to find it out ki, what are the different type of hydrogen that is available. So this is 3, this is 1, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. And जब आप percentage निकाल रहे, you don't have to go for stereochemistry. Just आपको structural isomers देखने हैं. तो student, different structural isomers that are possible in this case is chlorine, chlorine at this place, chlorine at this place, and chlorine at this place. These are the 4 different possibilities that you have. Okay, one more, chlorine at this place we have left. So 5 different possibilities in fact. Chlorine at this place, then chlorine at this place, and finally chlorine at this place. Call this as A, B, C, D and E. Now for chlorination, we want relative amount, hai na? What we are calculating? relative amount in the case of chlorination and bromination. So for A, it is probability factor into, relative amount is always probability factor into reactivity factor. So can you tell me what is probability factor over here? Probability factor is nothing but number of hydrogen of that kind. So it is 3 and reactivity factor is 1. So relative amount is 3. For B, it is 1 into how much? 3 degree it is. So probability factor 1 hydrogen, therefore 1. And reactivity factor we know 1 is to 3.8 is to 5. So reactivity factor is 5. So 1 into 5 is 5. Now for C, it is 2 into 3.8, that is 7.6. Again for, okay, one important thing is, for C it is not 2, because this 2 and this 2 will generate same structural isomers, so it will be 4. So 4 into 3.8, 7.2, 14, 15.2 it is. है ना? 8 into 4, 32. In hand we have 3, 12 in plus 3 is 15. Again for D, it is again 4 into 3.8, that is 15.2. And again for E, it is 2 into 3.8, that is 7.6. But for the case of bromination, it is for A, 3 into 1, that is 3. For B, it is 1 into 1600. So this is 1600. Clear? For C, it is 4 into 82. 328. Again for D, it is 4 into 82 is 328. And for E, it is 2 into 82, that is 164. So can you tell me which one is the measure product in this case? So for chlorination, measure product over here is C and D. They have same percentage and they will be the measure product. What will be the percentage? That is 15 divided by 3 plus 5 plus 15.2 plus 15.2 plus 7.6 into 100. But in this case, which one will be the measure product? Measure product over here is B. So देखो स्टूडेंट्स, एक बात यहां हम आंख बंद करके बोल सकते हैं, कभी भी ब्रोमिनेशन होना तो मेजर प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा? 3 डिग्री वाला होगा. बट क्लोरिनेशन के केस में यू कैन नॉट से, बिकॉज प्रोबेबिलिटी फैक्टर, रिएक्टिविटी फैक्टर, जो रिएक्टिविटी फैक्टर है वो इतना बड़ा चेंज नहीं है, तो प्रोबेबिलिटी फैक्टर इनटू रिएक्टिविटी फैक्टर विल ऑलवेज डिसाइड द मेजर प्रोडक्ट. क्लियर है? होपफुली यू हैव गॉट द आइडिया दैट हाउ टू गेट relative amount and relative percentage of any product in the case of chlorination and bromination. Clear hai? Any doubt? Okay. So students, this is what? This is a question based on bromination and chlorination where we have to find relative percentage. So we'll stop over here. And I will give you, like in assignment, you will get many questions based on that. So today we'll stop over here, and in the next session, I will be covering the new topic in which free radical mechanism is involved. Okay, thank you very much.